everything that is confiscated at the borders all goes to that building and is supposedly destroyed by means of fire. After working on the river for many, many years, I can honestly say I have never seen any smoke coming from those chimneys. On the right, we have not one, but two warships. Now the big one that you see in the background, that is the HMS Belfast. Does anybody know where that ship was built? In Belfast. Funnily enough, that's how in the Harland is the same shipyard as she was legally recruited in 1973 after 35 years service, and now she's transported. And ladies and gents, we're now turning the boat around that lovely Kodak moment of the iconic Tower. Now Tower Bridge is very big, as it is both a suspension and a drawbridge. For insurance purposes, Tower Bridge gets insured as a ship, and it requires a captain, her mate, and an engineer.